Hi, my name is Xanthe. I'm a contract administrator in the electrical contracting industry. I give iAuditor a 5 out of 5 rating, and for more reviews like this, click below. We started out using Enable HR. We found that it didn't quite meet our kind of internal health and safety objectives. We were also looking for something more user-friendly and a program that could create our own inspection test plans and like checklists. So we'd had iAuditor recommended by another company that we'd worked with, so we decided to give it a trial and then ended up implementing it. We found that iAuditor had better options for creating checklists and creating internal kind of test processes, which was something that we really needed in the electrical industry. Obviously very safety focused, very safety oriented. So that was just a requirement for our business, and we found that it was better than a couple of other alternatives that we'd looked at, and better than Enable HR, which is what we'd previously been using. We started off quite small. I guess we wanted to ensure that the software really met our business's requirements. So we ended up just kind of uploading a couple of templates into iAuditor, and then probably within about 6 months, we'd uploaded our entire library of documents into iAuditor so that we could use it for checklists and inspection test plans. So kind of through this process, it was definitely a lot of work. Like, it wasn't an easy process, but there's a form upload tool that iAuditor has, which made that a lot easier. So you can just upload a Word or a PDF document into the form, and then it'll kind of pre-generate the template for you, and then all you need to do is edit it. So that was really, really handy. That was a big help. Other than that, it was a very user-friendly system to use. We found that we didn't have too much issues with people adapting to it or being willing to use it. So that was a good thing as well about integrating into our business. With iAuditor, it's a great program, really user-friendly, very robust. However, there's a few improvements that could definitely be made. We found that it was lacking in kind of the reporting side and being able to analyze the data that you actually collect from the forms. So I definitely highly recommend making sure that you know exactly what you need, and if heavy reporting or heavy data analysis is something that you're looking at, I'd probably recommend potentially a different program. So yeah, there's that. The other thing too, it's a good thing about iAuditor, but also something to just be aware of, is that you actually have to have set users. Which is good because it means that only people with the right access can access the forms that you want them to. But that also means that anybody that you want to be able to access your forms has to have an iAuditor login, which you have to pay for. So it's a bit of a double-edged sword. It's a good and a bad thing, but that's definitely a recommendation to look at as well.